Hey peeps, it's me Kay. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So I wanted to do a little unboxing of a little haul that I did from scrapbook.com. Wasn't planning on buying paper, don't judge me, but I had no idea Tim Holtz came out with scrapbook paper again. I mean, I'm so behind. So let's get started. I don't want this video to be too long. If you hear any noises in the background, I apologize. New York life. It feels like summer today, and everybody's outside. And I'm also cooking, so you might hear my oven beep. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Oh, let me move this because I might have my invoice might be showing. Move. No, sit down. Not for you, ma'am. All right. Let's move this over here. And let's get started. So I'm excited to flip through it in person. Yeah, I'm excited to see it in person. So so apparently, like I knew he had fabric called the palette collection, but I had no idea he came out with paper. I'm so not in the know. But I saw this yellow one on a cherry on top. Sorry, a cherry on top. I was going to order from you guys, but scrapbook.com, although they are shipping is so expensive, they had something that I could not pass up, like a mega sale, and I couldn't pass it up. So let me just flip through this really quickly, and in case you guys are like me and had no idea, sorry about the crinkling. If you guys don't like that, I'm sorry. So there's the cover. So what he said, and then I watched his 2-hour flip through of all the papers that he's coming out with. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. This yellow one just, let me stay in frame. This yellow one just stole my heart. I can't wait for the purple one. So what he said is there's 2 designs, but it's not double-sided in the traditional way that we call double-sided paper. So I'll show you what I mean. So that's so pretty. I already have the digital kit in mind that I'm going to use with this. So I am super excited. Oh, this is so beautiful. This yellow, I don't know. This yellow just called to me. I think he has the yellow, pink, red, green. See, this is the double side of the first one. Same print on this one, but the print on this side is different. So you see what I'm saying? Which I think is kind of cool. I think it's really cool that he did that. Look at that. So pretty. So yeah, you can see everything is the same. It's just yeah, so I won't flip through it again because you've seen all the prints already on the first side. Oh, let me show you the collage strips. These are the collage strips. Super pretty. And there's the other side. So the collage strips are double-sided. So these are the same as this one, as you can see. I think this is the only thing that's like traditional double-sided. So, oh, this yellow. I'm so happy I got the yellow. This yellow here's my oven, sorry, cooking dinner. This yellow just stole my heart. And I got a neutral. I originally thought that they were the exact same prints. He just did them in different colors. Like I said, I'm so not in the know. Because I was so wrong. When I watched his 2-hour live stream, the replay, I was like, oh, I'm so wrong. So here's the other one. Oh, so pretty, isn't it? You can't go wrong with neutral. Like, you know, you just can't go wrong. So I would mix and match with the neutral myself. I wouldn't do a whole neutral. I mean, you could. Could, but I was thinking I was going to mix the yellow with the neutral. Look at that yummy goodness. Oh, so pretty. There's my oven. Sorry about that. So, and then here is the tickets. I love this one. So here's the tickets again. So I won't go through this again. I'll show you the collage strips. Here's the collage strips. And then there's the back. Oh, just so pretty. No, ma'am. No barking out the window. She hears the dogs barking outside. She wants to join them. So this I could not pass up because this was on sale for $4.99. I bought two because I don't have like bright florals. I have like dark florals because that's my jam. But I needed some bright florals because I wanted to do some spring journals. And you guys, this is cheaper than Michael's Hot Buy and it's double-sided. So I could not resist. I don't know how many they have left. I know when I was shopping, they were like 4 left. So I was like, oh, I need to check out now. But yeah, this is the only reason why I shopped at scrapbook.com. Not that I don't like their stuff, but their shipping. Oh my goodness, it's so expensive. All right, let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. This I really was looking forward to seeing because it's very hard to see. Oh, I love how that's neutral like that. So pretty. Oh, it's 3. Oh, I can make a lot of journals. Wait, is it 4? Or am I seeing? Oh, no, okay. That's different. Okay. Oh, my goodness. This is gorgeous. I was reading the reviews. The reviews were, that's what really made me get it. The reviews were like crazy. Am I showing you guys? I'm sorry. I'm trying to go this way, but I'm going to hit the camera. So I'm going to try to go back and forth like this because it's so big. And so you guys could see both of them. Okay, there's the other one. This is a gorgeous. I've never owned paper by this company. This is, I didn't even tell you, Crafter's Companion. So there is 36 pieces. Wow, 3 of each. That's a good deal for $4.99, you guys. Oh my goodness. That is cheaper than Michael's Hot Buy, and Hot Buy paper is only one-sided. This is really, really pretty. I'm going to have a good time making some spring journals. I had to buy 2 because for $4.99, I can use this year, next year, the year after that, the year after that. I actually have a digital kit in mind for this one as well. You guys see the other side, okay, without me sliding it back? Maybe it should go like that. Feel like if I keep it there, you guys can see it better. So pretty. Thank goodness for PayPal's, oh, that's the same. Yeah, that's the same. PayPal's pay in 4. That's how I'm always able to get, you know, buy little things like this for myself that I can use. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I feel some of these look the same, but then when I look harder, it's not the same. So look at that. I love that this side is so muted because there's so much going on here. I love that they did that. Like not plain, but still, you know, like a design on the back, but not, there's the back for that one. So that is so pretty. And it is called Meadow Garden. You can get it. Get you one. See, I got another one. And then I got one more paper collection by the same company. This one was $9.99. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it because it's $9.99. Even that's a great deal. So let me just quickly open it. You guys can see. It's called Love Letter. So I guess it could be used like for Valentine's Day. You guys know I don't do Valentine's Day, but I did do like a love theme. So this would have been perfect. So it's the same amount. Yeah. 3 of each. Design. The weight is nice. I've never had paper by this company, but I will be shopping with them. With this company again. Oh, I love how they have the script. I'm a sucker for some script. Beautiful. Let me go 3. So I don't waste too much time. Oh yeah, give me grunge. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And I have a lot of reds and pinks papers that I can make. I love mixing and matching collections. I have like some Prima that has some mixing and matching. Oh, okay. The mask on this side. So yeah, this is not really my style because it's a little too much pink, but I love the grunge. You know, I make things for other people, so I can't always buy paper that I would use for myself. I try to shop for things that I think others would like, and so I think people would like journals with this paper collection. It doesn't have to be for wedding. I mean, for wedding. Well, it could be for wedding. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day, obviously. There's nothing in here that says Valentine's Day. So this page is probably my favorite page because it's not too pink. It's like a dusty pink, and I can deal with dusty pink. I'm just not like a bright, like this color pink. Like, no, don't thank you. I mean, it's pretty, but it's just not me. It's not me. I can even deal with this border around here. That's pretty. And then a little hearts in there. This is so cute. I really like it. This page, yes. Yes. Love red roses. This is my favorite. Well, I think the other one's my favorite. It's probably my second favorite. Okay, that's the last of that one. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, so that is love letter. That's it. That's all I got. Oh, really quickly, I wanted to open up my pen pal mail. Pen pal mail from my friend, my pen pal in, oh my goodness, North Dakota or Nebraska. I always forget. It's either North Dakota or Nebraska. I always forget. I think it's North Dakota. So I'm just going to open it really quick. I'm going to look at it first in case her name is on something. I have no idea what it is. But I thought I would open it with you guys. I got it the other day. Let's make sure. Oh, how cute. Transparent sticky notes. I have these, but I can always use some more. I don't have this color. I have these colors, but I don't think I have this color, but I definitely don't have this color. How pretty. Boho transparent stickers. Okay, this has my name and her name on it, so I'm not going to open up that. Get down, baby. It's not for you. Get down, please. Get down. Thank you. And then this is a little, I don't know what this is. It's just like a little book. Did she make it? I have no idea. Just trying to make sure it's some stickers, dinosaurs. I'm a big fan. Your tops. It looked like she made this. I think she did. Oh my gosh, people outside. Sorry, people. I mean, sorry, you guys. I don't know. Yeah, she looks like she made this. Bow to the cow. That's cute. She's a little crafty too. So I don't know. She didn't make it. That's the tag for it. I thought she made it. She did make it. Let me see what this is. It might just be a letter. Oh, how pretty is the card. I love it. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. I'm not going to open it. Pretty. I love this card. This is so me. The dark background with the bright flowers. I'm putting this in my journal. Actually, I might put this in I usually put pen pal stuff in my big smash book. Oh, she sent me some North Dakota postcard. North Dakota. So that's where she's from, North Dakota. Oh, I love these. She knows I love postcards. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, did she paint these? If she painted these, oh my goodness, how pretty. I don't know if she painted these or she bought these. Get down, baby. Get down. I know I'm excited. Get down. Get down. I'm almost done. So pretty. Oh, she did. Wait, that's her last name, but that doesn't look like. Oh, yes, it is. She did paint them. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. I did not know she was this talented. So that's it. Yay. Happy mail from my pen pal. I'm excited. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love support. Let me know if you like which one is your favorite, if you have a favorite. And if you're interested, I hope you guys are able to get it. Scrapbook.com. And yeah, I'll link all the papers, if they still have them, down in the description box below. I'm not sure if I'm still an affiliate or not. It's been a while, but I'll link it anyway. Thanks if I am and you use it. I appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day or night, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe. All that good stuff. Be blessed, you guys. See you in the next one.